Yeah, it is.
Oh, Robin, that's a beautiful outfit you've got on there.
Thank you.
So what exactly is it?
This? Just a silk.
Just a silk?
Yeah.
Well, it's fantastic silk.
It's
So,
it's citron.
can I get a nice, I'm from Collector Network, can I get a nice picture of it?
Sure.
Okay, great. So what is your name, Robin?
I'm Kathy.
You're Kathy. Why do you go around masquerading as Robin?
Yeah.
So, how old would you say that is?
80s.
So it's from the 80s and it's made out of silk.
Yeah.
Well, great. And what is your name?
Kathy.
Kathy, is that with a K?
I mean, you can leave the Robin on, but...
How would you prefer it?
I'm Kathy.
Okay, and what's your last name?
It's Crowley.
Okay.